Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa. 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. Welcome to a beautiful summer day here in Dyersville. And if you haven't been to Victory Ford yet, we make new car buying so easy. We've got the Tri-State's largest inventory. Just an example, we have 110 F-150s either on the ground, inbound. We got 34 Fusions, got 32 Escapes, 20 Explorers, Edges, Expeditions, it goes on and on. And maybe if you don't know, we are a certified commercial vehicle center here at Victory Ford. We have over 70 Super Duty trucks, work trucks, flatbeds, chassis cabs, transit connects, transit vans, you name it. And we've got a whole staff of master sales consultant to help you out when you arrive. And now is the time to buy, because with the inventory shortages you've probably heard about because of the crisis, your trade has never been worth more. So again, we're making new car buying so easy right now. And there's some other options too. If you're an X-Plan incentive type buyer like Deere, IBM, Hy-Vee, UPS, CN Rail, there's hundreds of other companies. There's actually extra incentive cash right now on Mustang, Fusion, some of the other most popular brands. So if you're one of those employees, there's extra cash for you, not just the pricing too. So, and if you're not trading, you got a car to sell, come see us. We buy used cars. 15-minute trade appraisal. Just come on in, even if you're not trading it, and we'll send you home with a check today. So we buy used cars. And we have to talk too about, it is the final days of our push, pull, and drag sale. Everybody knows about it. It's our most popular sale of the year. Over 300 used cars, trucks, SUVs that qualify. And it's so easy, it works. $1,500 minimum trade-in now through Saturday on any old junker you've got, as long as it's currently titled and registered. So just a reminder, be safe out there. It is hot out today. Make sure you stay hydrated, drink your water in this heat. And if you're going vacation, safe travels. We hope to see you back real soon. So once again, Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. See you soon. Bye.